Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Iftikhar Rifki Hidayatullah. My student ID is 192520706. I am from class 19.1B.14. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Karawang City. I will explain about the English language project achievement between part 1 and part 2. In part 1, I will explain my analysis of the football match between the Indonesian versus Bahrain national team. And in part 2, I will explain what simple tense is. Okay, I'll just explain the project material. This is my view regarding the match result between the Indonesian national team and Bahrain. Based on an analysis of the recent games, overall the last match result between Indonesia and Bahrain saw a very positive trend and a significant improvement for the Garuda team. Two key results are in the spotlight is the crucial 1-0 home victory and the controversial 2-2 away draw. The 1-0 victory is a proof of effectiveness and solid defense. In the 2026 World Cup qualifier match on March 25, 2025 at the Gelora Bung Karno Main Stadium, Indonesia secured a narrow 1-0 victory. This win, despite the slim margin, carries immense weight. This victory was very important because these 3 points are crucial for keeping Indonesia hopes of advancing to the next round alive. This win placed Indonesia on 9 points, maintaining a distance from competitor in Group C. From a statistical standpoint, Bahrain actually dominated ball possession by 57% compared to Indonesia's 43%. However, Indonesia played far more effectively. Out of a total of 7 shots taken by both teams, Indonesia managed to get 3 on target, while Bahrain only had 1. This demonstrates that Indonesia's game strategy, which did not focus on possession but on quick counter-attack and clinical finishing, was successful. The key this victory also lay in the disciplined defensive line. The Garuda team successfully made 26 clearances compared to 18 by Bahrain. The single goal scored by Oli Romani in the 24th minute, thanks to an assist from Marcelo Ferdinand, was enough to secure the win due to a tight defense. This 1-0 victory is a reflection of a tactically mature team. The national team did not panic despite not dominating position. They showed the ability to suffer under pressure and capitalize on the smallest opportunities to score. This is the kind of victory that builds character and team confidence. Before the victory in Jakarta, Indonesia nearly achieved a win at Bahrain's home ground on October 10, 2024. The match ended in a 2-2 draw, a result that left the national team supporters disappointed. Indonesia was leading 2-1 until the final minute of the match. The imminent victory vanished after Bahrain scored an equalizer during a controversial injury time. The match was marked by the decision of referee Ahmed Al-Kaf to extend stoppage time beyond the predetermined 6 minutes, during which Bahrain equalizing goal was scored. This sparked protest and dissatisfaction from the Indonesian side. This 2-2 result, though painful, is proof that Indonesia's level of play is capable to matching of team of Bahrain caliber at their home ground. This indicated an improvement in mentality and quality. However, the last-minute goal incident serves as an important reminder that in a high-level football, maintaining focus for 90+ minutes in absolute. The results against Bahrain in the last 2 meetings represent a huge step forward for the Indonesian national team. Indonesia has transformed from a team that once suffered a heavy defeat to Bahrain into a worldly competitor, capable of winning at home and nearly winning away. The national team has shown that they can play with different strategies. They can press and attack, but they can also defend solidly and rely on the effectiveness of counterattacks to achieve victory. The 1-0 win after the controversial draw shows the team's resilience and ability to bounce back. Overall, this result provides optimism. The victory over Bahrain not only delivered vital points but also a moral boost, proving that the Indonesian national team is on the right path in its development. The simple present tense is used to express habits, general facts, or routines occurring at the present time. The formula depends on whether the sentence is verbal, using a verb, or nominal, using to be. For he, she, or it in positive sentence, add s or s to the verb, while for I, you, we, or they use the best verb form. What does present mean? Present in the simple present tense means now. Simple means simple, and tense refers to the verb form used in the time period. The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening at the moment. We can say that a sentence consists of the following three structures. The structure is subject, predicate, and complement. However, only two are mandatory, the subject and the predicate. Main use habits and routines. Expressing routine activities such as I go to school every day, general facts or truths, expressing things that are always true such as the earth revolves around the sun, unchanging situation, describing permanent state or situation that will not change in the near future such as she lives in Jakarta. Fixed schedule, expressing fixed or fixed schedules, such as train or event schedules, such as the concert starts at 7. Usage. Verbal sentence formula using verbs. In verbal sentence, you don't need to add to be after the subject, because the verb is the predicate. The verb in this tense is its basic form, meaning it hasn't undergone any change. If the word is positive, then the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus subject. The first example, I go to school. The second example, he goes to school. Then, if the word is negative, the formula is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. The first example, I do not go to school. The second example, he does not go to school. And also, if the word is an interrogative word, then the formula is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 and plus object. The first example, do you go to school? And the second example, does he go to school? Then, if the sentence contains a nominal word using the auxiliary verb to be, simple present tense nominal is a sentence that uses the verb to be, am, is, or do to describe the state, identity or general fact of the subject, not the action. The positive verb formula is subject plus am or is or are plus noun or adjective. The first example, I am happy. The second example, he is a student. Next, the negative sentence formula is subject plus am or is or are plus not plus noun or adjective. The first example, I am not happy. The second example, he is not a student. The next, the question word formula is am or is or are plus subject plus noun or adjective. The first example, I am happy. The second example, is he a student?